So again, it's very object-oriented programming is a completely new way of thinking. It's a paradigm. It's a way of approaching a problem. And the best way to approach learning object-oriented programming is to write code out. And then after you practice it a few times, just practice, just write this code out on the screen. I highly encourage people to download this video afterwards and write this code out, because there's a lot of new syntax to talk about. The more you do that, the more instances you will find while writing your software where you think, should I use a class here? Or should I use a constructor here? Does this class need a new method? And so on and so on and so on. And you'll try it out and you'll experiment. And a lot of times you'll fail miserably and your code will break and the world will end. But there will be times where you say, I need a class here, and all of a sudden your program just becomes 10 times cleaner. Or you'll say, I want to move this bit of functionality into a method. I don't know exactly why, but I'm going to do it. And you'll do it that one time, and all of a sudden your code will be 10% cleaner. And those reinforcing experiences will just collect in the back of your mind while you program, and eventually you'll start thinking in terms of object-oriented programming. But it's not going to come very quickly, and it's not something that I can just make everybody understand by explaining it. I can only show people the tools, but to use the tools, it necessitates people to practice and experiment and fail and succeed a few times, because a success will help significantly in the understanding.